Seated comfortably in any seated posture, let's do the 8-8 portal now. This morning, as we gather in breath, we step into the portal together. Inhale as you breathe in light. Exhale as we breathe out all that we no longer need. Inhale, breathe in positivity. Exhale, breathe out negativity. Inhale, appreciation. Exhale, criticism. We rise into the highest, most abundant versions of ourselves. Making sure eyes are definitely closed. Place your hands on your heart and silently repeat after me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say it nice and loud if you can. Let it echo and resonate with you in your whole house as if you are actually shouting. This time say it to your own divine self, your divinity. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now say this to a deity who you worship every day, a guru. If you don't have one, again say it to your divinity, your own Sahaj Atma Swarup. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now say it to the first relative that comes in your heart, in your mind. Some of you may like to place another palm on the knuckles of the palm on the heart. You can do that. Give it some teka. I'm sorry to the relative. Say his or her name. Please forgive me. Say his or her name. Thank you. Nice and loud. Thank you. I love you. Now say this to your health. Circulatory, respiratory, skeletal, nervous, muscular, endocrine, reproductive, digestive, every system possible. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And finally say this to money, which includes gold, shares, bonds, stocks, jewelry, diamonds, cash, FD, interest that you get, salaries, your financial freedom, everything. This has to have a smile. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I love you, money. Now put the hands down. Feel deep gratitude for everyone and everything you already have. The deepest gratitude with closed eyes to everything we already have. Our breath, the fact that we are alive, our body, our loved ones, and this community. With your next inhale, open your heart to receive more love, more joy, better health, better wealth, better relationships, more magic. Excellent, way to go. With your next inhale again after exhaling, open your heart, open your arms. Wow, full on. Inhale again. Open your heart to receive more love. I want more love, universe. I want more joy. This is about you. Don't wish anything for anyone else. It's the 8-8 portal. Better health, peak health. More wealth, more magic. Better relationship. Big breaths. Exhale now. Bring your hands down. Today is not a day to dream small. Dream big. Ask for barakat in every category. 8-8 portal is a very big one. If you don't believe in anything material, ask for spiritual growth, but ask. Let's breathe this truth into every cell and let our collective energy magnify. Let it magnify each other's manifestation, what we create here. Just now, this morning, let this create a ripple effect on your friends, on your family. A ripple effect in every day in the rest of the year till next year's 8-8. Bring your hands down. Continue keeping eyes closed. मांगो बरकत मांगो, long list. पूरा मेन्यू मांग लो रेस्टोरेंट में. All the asks which you do in the temple मांगो. रोते हुए मांगो, हंसते हुए मांगो, स्माइल करते मांगो, सैड करके मांगो. 8-8 portal. I'm doing a run through once again. It's called the Lion's Gate portal. It is fully to open up. A cosmic alignment is happening just now of infinite abundance. Spiritual awakening too if you don't want anything material. And manifestation power. The number 8 represents prosperity. The number 8 represents balance. The number 8 represents karmic rewards. When doubled, its energy doesn't add, it multiplies. It amplifies. It multiplies, it amplifies. A direct gateway to call in miracles and blessings. This morning we gather in breath, we step into this portal together. We breathe in light. We breathe out all that no longer serves us. We rise into the highest, most abundant versions of ourselves. Again, place your hands on your heart and silently repeat, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you and I love you. Feel deep gratitude for everything you already have. Your breath, your body, your loved ones, your health, your community, your this breath work, me, yourselves, your divinity. Wow. Give your next inhale योर बेस्ट। इतना भरो ऑक्सीजनेटेड एयर ठोस ठोस के कि जगह ना रहे, हाँ उस तरह। एंड एक्सेल, इनहेल टू रिसीव मोर, एक्सेल टू डंप आउट, सेइंग चल हट एक्सपेंडेड एयर को, चल हट निकल। फुल ग्रैटिट्यूड, टुडे इज नॉट अ डे टू ड्रीम स्मॉल। पूरा का पूरा एक कैटेगरी में मांगो या सभी, हेल्थ, वेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, जॉब, बिजनेस, वर्क, मनी, रिलेशनशिप्स, कुछ भी जो मांगना है मांगो। इवन माई फोन इज गिविंग मी रिमाइंडर्स टू आस्क यू। बिग मेन्यू, spirituality if you think I'm sounding greedy. दुर्लभ ऐसा मनुष्य भाव मिला है, मांग लेते हैं 88 पोर्टल में। If you don't believe in it, no worries. It's perfectly okay. If you believe in it, that's also no worries. Perfectly okay. Do it with me because your foot is in my membership. Because I believe in it, because every single day I pray for my community. Whichever temple I go, wherever I visit, wherever I see a deity, I pray for my community. With your next inhale, just open your heart to receive even more love, more joy, more health, more wealth, better relationship, more miracles, more magic. Today is not a day to dream small at all. Do it in your own way. Hand on heart, hands open, hands down. Anything. Mago, hands up. Gold dust on showering on you. Let's breathe this truth into every cell of our body. Let our collective energy magnify with each other's manifestations. What we create here this morning has to have a ripple effect on the rest of the year. Stay with your bliss, your joy, your smile. Wow. 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 Anyway, be with yourself. If possible, when you open your eyes, you can even journal whatever you want. Run to the book before you forget. So many times we forget what we dreamt, we may forget. Run to your journal and journal it at 8 o'clock. Till then, continue. 888 portal. Magical. Because it is almost getting to be 8 a.m. in India, Indian Standard Time.